Given a number, n, return a string array. If n is divisible by 2 and 4, return Fizz Buzz. If n is divisible by 2, only return Fizz. If n is divisible by 4, only return Buzz. If it is not divisible by 2 or 4, return n. For example, if n equals 5, output equals 1, Fizz, 3, Fizz Buzz, 5. In a new console application, create a static method that will return a string list called getFizzBuzzList. The method needs to be called with an int variable. Create a list variable of type string that will be used as the return variable. Now create a for loop, initialize I equals 1, I is less than or equal to n, lastly I is incremented by 1. If I modulus 2 is equal to 0 and I modulus 4 is equal to 0, add the FizzBuzz string to ret list. Else if I modulus 2 is equal to 0, add the fizz string to ret list. Else if I modulus 4 is equal to 0, add the buzz string to ret list. Else convert the current number to a string and place it in ret list. In the main method, call the getFizzBuzzList method. Loop through the list and print to console.